Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a low latency driver. Open Options Audio Settings and pick your interface a CO or a CO for all. Set buffer size between 64 and 256 samples to balance latency versus stability. Lower gives faster response but can cause clicks. Once done, disable extra I/O and system audio apps that steal CPU. Make sure sample rate matches your project to avoid resampling. Mismatches add delay. These steps establish the baseline, so your recordings actually track in time. Next, address monitoring and processing. You should avoid monitoring through heavy plugin chains, monitor direct or via low latency monitoring in your interface. Once done, enable Smart Disable and Freeze or render CPU taxing tracks to free resources during recording. Make sure FL Studio's plugin delay compensation is set to automatic so added plugin latency is corrected. If you still hear drift, use manual input offset adjustments to nudge recorded audio into perfect alignment with the timeline. You now run a quick test. Record a click track while tapping an external source to measure timing. If the recorded audio is late, enter Options Audio Settings and tweak the input offset until alignment is exact. If you experience clicks or dropouts, increase buffer or lower sample rate temporarily. Stability matters more than ultra-low latency for long sessions. And if problems persist, update audio drivers, firmware, and inspect USB hubs. Faulty hardware often causes unpredictable latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.